Alright guys, so we're finally installing the springs on the gym. We rented out the spring compressors. I got the wheels loose already, getting the impact wrench ready. We got the springs right here. We're gonna start out with the back, the easier ones. We got Yuli right here. Get on the hatch, Caesar's 392. Prelude. We're waiting on Cuban and his 335i. So we got the Jenny up right now, and it looks like the whole crew pulled up right now. We got Oscar, Sammy, Cuban, everybody here.
Fucking dudes.
We got the whole out.
Bro, don't lose that bolt.
So, Bastion right here. He was on another YouTube video. He had the same exact car. So if you look up how to install springs on a Genesis, you'll see him, his younger self. And right now he came through. I really appreciate him. He helped me finish the rears. And now we're doing the fronts. That's all that's left. And Oscar, I might get his Z wheels on here. Get them touched up a lot. Put them holes on there. And let's see where we're at. Alright, what are we doing right now, Bastion? So, how long did we take? Like 4 hours total? 3 hours.
For the
Cool,
three, like 3 hours.
For,
It is clean.
we did like 1 hour for each spring. This is the final touch, final finish. Get rid of the little gap. The bag's not set in yet. We got Yuli just got his haircut. And we got the Z wheels on.
You got Nissan cats on there, bitch.
We're about to go take it for a spin right now and see what's up.
Babe, I think you need the camera, bro.
I think I need an alignment.
You can't be vlogging over here. You need the camera, bro. Nigga rocking a 5.
That's easy.
Huh? Yeah, it was low. No, it's like.
Alright guys, so here's the Jen. And it's been about a full week already. I'm sure the springs have settled in. This is how she looks. Pretty clean. Got rid of most of the wheel gap. I'm pretty satisfied with it. And that's in the back too. Could use a little more, but it's good for now. And I just got the HIDs installed too. I don't know what color they're showing up as. I got them in 6K. They probably look really blue on camera, but in person, they're like really white. Not really white, like white with like light blue. But yeah guys, that is how it looks. And I hope you guys like this video. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.